2-37. What is the best way to display the data below? Why? Display the data using the method you choose. So we're being asked our opinion. We choose based on the numbers given, and then we want to explain why do we choose that data and why is that the best way. So in lesson 212, we actually have in the math notes section, so I took a little picture of that. We have different types of visual information that we can display. So I'm looking at the numbers. It's probably a good idea as I'm looking at the number, those are temperatures. I mean, I can order them from least to greatest so I can judge the data better, but I am seeing as I'm looking like repeating numbers, and they're kind of like the lowest is between 79 and the highest like 80 something. So right now I'm looking at the notes. You could use that in your textbook. So to me, because of the repetition, I like the dot plot display because I'm just gonna after that looking at how many times it repeats just visually. But also we could use a bar graph as well. So really up to you. I think I'm gonna go with dot plot in this video, but I want you to pause and order the numbers from least to greatest on your own paper. So least to greatest. So in a dot plot, we want to have a number line. So our number line is going to be counting. So again, you already have the least number and the greatest number. So draw the number line, and then we're going to be plotting right above it. So if it's above 80, you would plot a dot. So that's how we're going to do it on this video. So I drew my number line, and I'm going to use the least number that I found, so 79, and I'm gonna separate them. I'm just gonna skip into 2 squares so that I can have like clear information. So 80, so as long as now I'm skip counting exactly by 2, I'll be fine in terms of 2 squares. You could do 1, of course. So 81, 82, 83. So I'm looking at the numbers and see which one is my highest. So pause the video and stop with the highest number as well. So the greatest number actually is 84, so I did it. So I just want to like note that, like color coded for you. So that's the greatest. So now you would start plotting points right above it. So yours is in order, but like how many times do you see 79? So I'm going to look in mine that I didn't put in order because I wanted you to do it. So I see 79 once, twice. I don't see anywhere else. So I'm going to put 1 dot to represent the frequency of 1, and then another dot that will be for the second time. So I'm going to move on to the number 80. So count how many times is 80 on your own and plot your dots. So I counted that 80 appears 6 times. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and the vertical distance I'm keeping the same as well, so it looks visually neat. So I place 6 dots above, and so this line over here is counting 1 repetition. This line counts repetition of 2, so those are called frequency. So the third line, the vertical line, counts like 3. So we're not required to write them. I just want you to know how visually I am spreading them like evenly, so the scale is neat. So go ahead and continue all on your own. Continue with counting the frequencies, and you could color code by highlighting or using color pencils as well, so your bar graph would look nice. Sorry, it did say bar graph, but it's a dot plot. I apologize for that. So continue on your own.